Hi, I'm Toffer. Welcome to beautiful, luxurious Muncie. And welcome back to my local food reviews. Today, I'm at a place that I wish I did not have to review. It's Subway. I have the potato products. I will be reviewing this potato product on 4 categories: temperature, room, size, mostly air, shape, wobbly, smell, intense grease. It tastes like nothing. Here are the jalapeno chips. It's not spicy. This is sea salt and vinegar. It's pretty good. And this is something called spicy dill pickle. I like pickles. I do not like this. Before I try the sauce, I will cleanse my palate. Here is the peppercorn ranch. Almost good, but something is off. And here is the honey mustard. It is sweet. I also got a Subway. I was told this would be art. I give these potato products a 2 out of 5 public transportations with bread made out of yoga mats. The cost of this meal was $14.49. Anyway, thanks for watching. I will continue my search for the best potato product in beautiful, luxurious Muncie. Okay, bye.